This is 393 Old Country Road. What the flip? You went up or down? Which one? Alright, I could take you up. Alright, which one?
2. Second.
That is weird.
Second floor, going up.
There you go.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome. These are the old Staleys at 393 Old Country Road in Westbury. These have pretty good motors. I'll give it that. Unfortunately, this one's padded. We'll probably switch up here. What the freak is that indicator, though? I know escalators told me they had a wind indicator. I didn't realize it was this. Okay, is there any way up here? No desk? No desk. We're sending you off. Dumb one. I gotta talk over the music because blah 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 for copyright reasons. I feel the power. I feel the power of the copyright. YouTube isn't. I don't know the lyrics. It's coming up. These door frames really look like Schindler. I don't know why. Just the thick door jamb right there. It looks very fat. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, this one this one looks just like a lot of the elevators I filmed on Franklin. LCD elevator. That's probably who modernized it. This reminds me of the elevator at what was it, 1100, I think, Franklin. The cab looks very similar. Oh god, that scared me. It's funny. I like the blue monitors here.
Lower level, going up.
Oh, what the? I didn't even notice this. Oh wow, look, it's under construction. Alright. Alright, let's get ready for motor. We'll watch the indicator close up this time. Really?
First floor, going up.
What up?
Yeah.
Which one?
2. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's weird.
Second floor, going up.
There you go.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good one.
You too.
Look at the inspection certificate. This one has the better motor. Yeah, I'm willing to bet this is probably an LCD mod. I don't know how new this is, but
Third floor, going down.
alright. We'll see if it goes. I do like these cabs though. I will give it that. This is a pretty nice mod, all things considered. Oh yeah, if you look at the indicator from this angle, like all the numbers, it looks black. God, it does it every time. Now, hopefully, we'll get the non-stop trip.
Lower level, going up.
Circles works. Here we go.
Third floor, going down.
Got what I wanted. Yeah, these are monitors here are 1100. I like these buttons. Oh, we're stopping. These are pretty busy. I'm filming this in the
Second floor,
morning.
Going down.
Okay. Down?
Yes, thank you.
One?
Yes, please.
First floor.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You'll see the door track is very Staley. And they even got the weird indicators out here. Very interesting mod, that's it.